Oh my god. Okay, so I might have started again.
Now I got a bellyache.
Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone video because some of you have asked me for the past few months to do an updated one, because I did one back in 2016 with my Oppo. With my Oppo I did one, and I also did an unboxing of this phone, this exact phone, in 2016 when I first got it, and I still have this phone, and I'm actually planning to change my phone because it's a 24-month contract, and my stupid self have cracked it and I sat on it. I'm so stupid, but yeah, I sat on this phone, and yeah, I'm planning to change it soon, this December, but I don't know what phone yet. But yeah, so I'm gonna put the screen here. Now let's just put it here. So people do that, they just put the screen here. I'm gonna screen record it using the iOS 11. So I'm just going to screen record this. Okay, so this is my phone. This is my lock screen. It's actually the Bruno Mars concert that I went to back in March. Yeah, in March I went to his concert, and Dua Lipa was there. Dua Lipa was amazing. Bruno Mars was so good. I've listened to his song since I was like 6 years old, and I just went to his concert. That was my first concert as well. So this is my lock screen, and then I'm going in, and I have a black wallpaper because I don't want to see like the cracks when I use my phone. That's probably the dumbest thing, but it just eliminates the look of the cracked screen. And this is just the boring apps like contacts, settings, FaceTime, mail, blah blah blah. And photos, this is my photos. I have 500 photos, not that much, but yeah, I'm not gonna show the photos because no. And then yeah, and then I have camera. I actually don't use this camera much. Like, I don't really use this much. I only use it for like videos. I normally use Snapchat camera, I don't know. And then I just have the boring apps, and then we're going sliding. And then first I have Facebook and Facebook Messenger, which is just private, like my personal life, like for just friends and family. And I have Twitter. I don't use Twitter, so there's no point in following me on Twitter. And I have like 3 accounts. I don't know why, but I just have Twitter, and I just follow people and like just keep up to date. And I have Snapchat, which I use the most. I just love Snapchat. This is where I take my selfies most of the time because it doesn't flip the image, and I don't know, yeah. That's just private as well, just for family and friends. And Instagram, you know what Instagram is. I don't have to go in the app, but this is just Instagram. And you could follow me down there below in the description. I'm gonna leave my link username. And then I have YouTube, which is what I'm doing right now. And these are just like people that I follow. If you want to know, that's just them. And yeah, that's my YouTube. And then I have Google. Some people use Safari, I use Google. And let's see, actually I'm not gonna show you my history. It's just really random, like cats and dogs, like, you know, yeah. And then I have ANZ, which is a bank app. It's just an app for banking, yeah. And then collection, if you don't know what collection is, you need to know. So you basically just download songs, and then you could listen to them offline, and I use that when I go to road trips or when I'm bored. I just listen to songs. So these are the songs that I currently like. Just, yeah. And then I have Netflix. I love Netflix. I just got it like a few months ago. I'm very late into Netflix, but I finished watching Riverdale and Stranger Things, and I've watched movies, and then I started watching 13 Reasons Why. Yep. And then I have the Stranger Things app. I use this when I used to be obsessed with Stranger Things, and I just play in this app. Don't use it anymore, but I just keep it there. I don't know why. And then I have Spotify. There's no point in following me in Spotify because I don't really use it. And then I have YouCam Makeup. I don't know why I have YouCam Makeup. Like, I don't use it. Like, I guess I use it when I'm bored. Like, I just put, like, take a selfie and then put on makeup. And then I have Episode, and it's like a story. It's like a story game. Like, you continue the story by picking what option you want. Maybe later, no, okay. Like, it's just some story like that. I used to be obsessed with it. I don't really play games on my phone anymore. Like, I just go on social media or something. And then I have 204A. If that's, I use it. Oh, I use it when I'm at school, or like when I'm bored and I just play that game. And then I have Song Pop, which is like you play against people, like you play against them, and then when you and then you guess the song and then you win and stuff. And then in the last one in this app, in this slide, in this part, I have Photo Math, and it's basically like you just point like the camera to the equation and then it will give you the answer, and that helps me. You just saw my foot, sorry. Anyway, yeah, I don't use that at maths. Don't use it. I use it when I need help, but I don't like use it all the time, you know, because that's bad. It's not bad, it depends on how you use it, like, yeah. And then I have YouTube Studio. This is, oh, I just kicked it, okay. YouTube Studio is, you check all the videos, you know what that is. And then I have Google Photos, and then you just back up your photos, and then you can delete it on your photo album, and then it will save you gigabytes. Yeah. And then I have eBay, and then I have Facetune too. You guys know what that is. Don't need to explain that. And then I have VSCO Cam, which is an editing app that I use in like all my photos. And then I have Anam, and Anam is like you can put photos. You can put why do I have two photos of that? You can put like photos. You can put photos on the thing, on like you have your Instagram feed there, and then you put the photos before you upload them to see if it matches your theme, and it works. I love it a lot. And then Camera Connect is like an app for the camera, so if like you want to transfer, if you want to transfer photos and videos, you can do that. That's what I use because I edit on my iPad. Or my phone, so yeah. And then I have EP, and that's just for my school. It's because I'm doing languages, so we use that for languages. And then here I have Yahoo Mail, which is my my email app of choice, because you can use like Gmail and stuff, but I use Yahoo Mail. And they have P Tracker Lite. You know what that is. I'm not gonna talk about it. It's just tracker for your cycle, you know. And then here I just have the boring apps. No need to say anything about that. And then here I have AliExpress, which is like eBay, but it's kind of different. It's kind of like Wish, but it's AliExpress. And then Quora, I actually like Quora so much. Like I used to ask so many questions about randomest things, and then people answer it. So you you just ask a question anonymously and then someone will answer it. So that is good. That's a good app. And then I have iMovie, which is just an editing for videos, and then I have Fonto, so you can put text on your photos, and I use that for my thumbnails. I use Fonto for my thumbnails. Like, I just write some things, and I just write some stickers. And then I have Eraser. So Eraser is like, you just erase a part of the image basically. And then I have PixArt, which is another editing app. And then I have Hujicam, which is so good. I'm not kidding. Wait. Go. So it's basically like you take a photo and then like it puts a filter on it and it makes it look so cool. I don't know, what am I doing? And then Depop is like, it's like eBay kind of, but it's like for clothes, and you buy clothes, you sell clothes, stuff. And then the last thing on my phone is editing apps. I have GarageBand, I have Files, I have Converter Plus, I have iConverter. I use this for my song covers. I use it to edit my voice. I don't auto-tune, just saying, I don't auto-tune. I just edit it a little bit to make it sound a little nicer, because my voice is not the best. And I don't want to like make it sound so bad. So I just edit it. Cause yeah, and you need these apps to convert, because I film, like I use videos to film, I use video to record my voice, and then I turn it into an audio, and then audio, GarageBand, blah blah blah, and then I put, yeah, anyway. And yeah, thank you. So that is my what's on my iPhone video. It's kind of messy, but my life is a mess. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy it. And I just answered, like, I just did a video that some people want to see. And I hope you enjoyed it.